ever wondered why 95% of people fail to achieve their dreams? Why do most people give up, stay stuck, or settle for an average life? While only few seem to break through and win big. The truth is shocking. बट मैं आपको आज इस चीज के बारे में बहुत ही अच्छे से क्लियर करने वाली हूँ. बट वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड, everything will change. In this video, I'm going to reveal the real reason why most of the people fail. I will give you the clear roadmap on how you can be the 5% who actually win. Last तक इस वीडियो में बने रहिएगा, मैं आपको एक clear roadmap देने वाली हूँ. Let me tell you a story. A few months ago, I met my two friends Shruti and Sneha. Both had big dream, both want success, both start strong. But after 8 months, श्रुति वो सब कुछ कर रही थी जो वो चाहती थी और वो अपना बेस्ट कर रही है इस टाइम. बट स्नेहा, she quit after 3 months. Now she complain about life, stuck in the same 9 to 5. Why did Shruti win while Sneha failed? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's the mindset and it's strategy. Here's what no one tell you. 95% people fail not because they are not capable, because they follow the wrong system. They chase motivation but they never build discipline. They wait for opportunity but they never prepare for it. Why 95% fail? First one is no clear vision. They don't have clear goals. They want success but they can't define it. Second is lack of discipline. They start excited but when excitement fade, so do they. Third is fear of failure. Most of the people rather be comfortable than courageous. They fear judgment, they fear risk, so they play small. Fourth is distraction. Social media, friends, Netflix, the biggest dream killer today. This is not failure, this is distraction. Fifth one is quitting too soon. They expect overnight success, but when that doesn't happen, they quit. How you can win the 5% strategy. Now let me show you the exact strategy that the 5% follow. This is your roadmap to success. First is create a powerful vision. Know exactly what you want. Be specific. Don't just say I want to be a successful. Say I want to earn 5 lakh month by coaching student online. Biकॉज क्लैरिटी इज पावर. अगर आपके पास क्लैरिटी है किसी चीज की तो आप उस चीज को जल्दी अचीव कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड इज सेट माइक्रो गोल्स विद डेडलाइन. ब्रेक द बिग ड्रीम इनटू स्मॉल गोल्स like 90 days target, weekly tasks, daily habits, because deadline force action. Third is build an unbreakable routine. Discipline beats motivation. Design your day for success, like morning routine, deep work time, no scroll time, and learning hour. Winner leave wise structure. Fourth one is master one skill. Don't chase 10 things, master one only. और ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, like video editing, sales, content creation, content writing, everything, anything you want to, because your skill is equal to your leverage. Fifth one is surround yourself with growth minded people, because environment is everything. आप जैसे लोगों के साथ रहते हो वैसे आप बनते हो. So join group, watch mentors, block toxic peoples. Your circle is equal to your future. Sixth is take relentless action even when it's hard. Hear the truth, the 5% don't feel like it every day. They just show up anyway. If you want to be the 5%, stop thinking like the 95%. They complain, you take responsibilities. They wait, you execute. They doubt, you believe. This is not just about motivation, it's about identity. So say it with me. I'm not average, I'm not like the rest. I will do whatever it takes to win. You now have the truth, you have the strategy, and you have the roadmap. The only question left is, will you do what the 95% want? If you are ready to be the top 5%, drop a fire in a comment. This video has helped you. Like it, share it with someone who need this, and subscribe.